Hey y'all, hey, it's Queen Beauty here and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about how I got this hair like this, y'all. Listen, I don't know if you guys watch Atlanta, but I love Atlanta. I love Childish Gambino slash Donald Gup. I love Childish Gambino slash Donald Glover. Okay, I'm not even gonna play with y'all. Paperboy. What's the other dude named the skinny one? I don't know why I don't never know his name. Darius. Aha! So I love Darius and I especially love Van. Okay, so this hair is inspired from especially Van. Van is Ernie, who is actually Donald Glover, baby mama, and in the latest episode, which is called Champagne Papi, which is really funny because she went to Drake's house supposedly and basically was supposed to take a selfie with Drake, but you know, you have to watch the episode to see if she got that selfie or not. But anyways, in the show, this was her hairstyle and I was just like, oh my gosh, I have my icy hair and I can do a bomb recreation of her hair. Like her look period. But anyways, so I thought I could do a recreation of her hair look and I do that and I show you guys how I do it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And Queen Beauty out.
Okay, you guys, so I'm going to do a voiceover for this part. Basically, this is an old twist out that I never wore out. I don't know what happened. But anyways, so basically I am going to part my hair so I can have that twist or braid or whatever she had right in the middle. I'm just trying to make sure my part is straight. It's not, and it will never get straight. I don't know what I was seeing, but looking at it now, it wasn't. So once I got that straight, I just pinned that hair up, and now I'm wetting my hair with my spray bottle. The only things in there is water, and I'm combing it out, and I'm going to section off the front part. And for the back, I'm just going to twist that up. The parts didn't have to be straight because you're not really going to see that, because I'm going to put the wig I got from the wig that I made out of iSEE hair over that part, so you won't even see it. So I just 2-strand twist that, and yeah. So I ended up doing the same thing to the other side, and now I'm about to work back on this middle section. So I get my Gorilla Snot. It's the sports kind. I think it's either the purple or blue bottle, I don't know. But I wet my hair so it'd be easy to comb through, and then I start applying the Gorilla Snot on the roots, on the sides where the part is. So at first I started to do a braid, but I'm not the best braider, and I'm fine with that. Practice makes perfect, but today it was not going to work. So you see me end up taking the braid down because it just wasn't working, and my arms were hurting. I don't know if y'all can see it in my face. But regardless, I take the braid down and I end up doing a flat twist instead. It actually turned out pretty nice. It was a little wobbly, but it was still cute. Next, I end up getting a little rubber band and I just wanted to secure the twist just to make sure it would stay in place. So I'm using my Eco Styler gel. I get like a big finger clump of it and I'm about to start slicking my hair on the sides down. And basically that's self-explanatory. You just watch and see. I actually do a little baby hairs right here. I wanted to try the comb method because Van's baby hairs didn't really look like baby hairs. They just looked like little swoops kind of. And so yeah. So all I do is ended up putting my hair into a ponytail, a low ponytail in the back, and eventually I put both sides into one ponytail in the back so it can all be out of the way and not on the side like that. So yeah, it looks a little messy when you actually see it when I turn around. But you know, like I said, you're not going to see that because I'm about to put that wig on. Y'all, I could not find my scarf, my silk scarf anywhere, so I just threw a regular cotton scarf on my head, left it on there for about 10 minutes, and you know, slicked a little bit, whatever. Also, in the description box, I will have my link to my iSEE hair review, you know, just in case y'all want to check that out. But shout out to iSEE Hair. I actually bought that hair with my own money and I love it. So the next step, I just take some bobby pins and I secure my wig because don't want it falling off, you know. Maybe about to go to a drag party just like Van, whatever. Not really, but you know. So I actually got those little clip thingies from the hair store. I believe they were like $1.99, and it's self-explanatory. You see me just clipping them onto my twist, and literally that's the finished look after I finish this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And Queen Beauty out for real. Bye.